Good morning. Welcome to Shoshin Guitarist, which is my website. It's spelled Shoshin, guitarist.com. My name is Richard Cronice, and you're most likely a friend if you're dropping by during these early days. Today is the 7th month check-in. I've done this on electric guitar. Now I'd like to do it on acoustic. Let me tell you about the acoustic that's being used. This is a Hohner HW200, and it's not that expensive. If you find one, you might find it for, I don't know, $50, $100, depending on what shape it is. I found mine for $10 at a Goodwill in Florida. Then I had it shipped up here, which cost another $40, $50. So I called the guitar Sawbuck because it was purchased for $10. But what's really interesting about the guitar, and guitars have stories, is that if you see this, you can see it's kind of broken up here. Well, it arrived in a Chicago snowstorm, very cold, and when it came, it was an inch, there was a gap of an inch all along the bottom bout. That's the correct phrase. So it was useless. So I thought maybe I could repair this. So what I did was I took it to people who became new friends at True Value at 5329 North Milwaukee in Chicago. Said I needed glue and C-joints to clamp it shut. And they said, nah. I spoke to Jesse. He sent me to Mike, and Joe's the owner. Mike said, nah, we'll just repair it for you. So that was pretty amazing. So what they did was Mike repaired it. And guess what? It sounds really good. It's got the same strings it's had for probably 20 years. The guitar is, I think, 30 years old. So it's wonderful. It's just it really needs to be played, so I thought I'd play it today. And the song is Man of Constant Sorrow. This is a song that you may have heard in Oh Brother, Where Art Thou? The song was written in 1913, or at least in a songbook by Richard Bennett. And back then, his songbook was called the Farewell Song. So that's from a songbook that's 111 years old. Now, most likely this song was played even before then. So enough talk. We're going to play that song on Sawbuck, the Hohner guitar, and it'll be Man of Constant Sorrow. And about ready to begin. Just get ready. I'm excited. I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my day. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised, the place where he was born and raised. For 6 long years I've been in trouble, no pleasures here on earth I've found, for in this world I'm bound to ramble. I have no friends to help me now. He has no friends to help him now. It's fare thee well, my old true lover. I never expect to see her again, for I'm bound to ride that northern railroad. Perhaps I'll die upon this train. Perhaps he'll die upon this train. That felt good. Hope you liked it. So once again, this is my 7th-month check-in, playing guitar, and this is a Hohner HW200 that's 30 years old, and it is the song Man of Constant Sorrow, which is over 100 years old. So have a great day. This is Shoshin Guitarist, Shoshin, guitarist.com. And again, thanks as always to my wife and kids and grandkids for putting up with me making noise in the basement and doing all this. Have a great day. Thank you.